Here's an interesting geometry problem. Give the video a pause while you work it through. Okay, here's the solution. When you see triangles drawn in circles, you should remember your old friend the inscribed angle theorem and just start looking at angles and the associated degrees of arc. So the angle we're given here of 100 degrees is associated with all these degrees of arc here on the right and bottom of the circle. Now the inscribed angle theorem tells us that the degrees of arc subtended are precisely equal to twice the angle. So all of this red stuff has to be 200 degrees of the circle. Now, the circle in total has 360 degrees. So the remaining degrees in the circle, which I'm going over here in yellow, must equal 160 to add up to 360. Now, this yellow is also associated with an inscribed angle in the diagram. So now we use the inscribed angle theorem again to realize that this angle must be exactly half of 160 degrees. That's what the theorem says. So the yellow angle is 80 degrees. And now we're almost there because we have a triangle. We see that 45 degrees plus 80 degrees plus x degrees has to add up to 180 degrees. All triangles have their angles add up to 180. And so for it to all add up, x must be 55. Okay, so when you see problems with angles in circles, just remember the inscribed angle theorem and start drawing lines and circles and arcs, and eventually you'll come to a simple solution.